up? It's Shay and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my July Stitch Fix box. So if you want to see what I got this month, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, my love, so let's go ahead and open this box up. Just going to take my little scissors. Open that up. So again, in the box, once you open it up, it says right here, thank you for letting us style you. And then on the other side, it tells you what to do next and all the instructions and everything. Ignore my thumbnail. I'm doing my nails later. But yeah, that's what it tells you. And then as soon as you open her up, it gives you, let me lower that right, okay? So it gives you the little envelope, and then again, it tells you thank you for letting us style you. And I believe, yeah, this is the sheet where it tells you your items, your total, and everything. So this is my total, and that's everything if I keep it. So if I don't choose to keep it, I will have to pay for like each item that I do keep. So that's that. And then also it shows you a styling card. I'm gonna let y'all see what they gave me. I'm not gonna look. So it shows you a styling card of how to style your clothes and everything that they gave you. And then again, they give you a packing slip where you can just put your items in and then just send it out. So yeah, now throw that to the side. Here are your clothes. And then yeah, let's try these on. Alrighty, love, so the first item in the box is this top right here, and it's just a simple tank top, and it's super flowy. And I'm going to show you guys the back. Look at the back. It is too cute. So yeah, this is the first item. It's really nice. Let me go ahead and see how much it is. Let's see. I don't even know what the item is. Okay, so this item is $28. So yeah, this is super cute. And again, this is the back. Let's try the next one. Alrighty, love, so this is the second item, and it's just this long sleeve pullover hoodie type thing. Obviously right now it's way too hot to wear this, but I think it's super cute. Maybe like at night if I'm out with friends and it's getting a little chilly, I'll bring this with me. But this is cute. It has little pockets here, and it's just a plain hoodie. Has a nice little hood in the back. It's not thick or anything, but yeah, I like it so much. And this is $38. This is another look to it. It's really nice. Next item. Alrighty, my love, so the next item is this top right here. I think it's cute. Definitely wouldn't have gone to the store to pick it out if you know, if I saw it in the store, but I think it's really nice. I like the little flowers and whatever. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the material is super breathable. I really like it. So yeah, this top, let's see here, this top is $42. Little shorts. But yeah, this is the top. It has a little knot right here on the bottom. Ignore my shorts, but yeah, this is the little top right here. This is the back. It's super cute, super simple. So yeah, I really like it. Let's try the next item. Alrighty, my love, so this is the next item. So if I had a smaller chest, I feel like this would have fit me better, but my boobs are literally, I don't know if you guys can see, it's pulling this top. I have too much of a big bust for this top. I don't know, I feel like it's still cute or whatever. It has like little straps right here on the side, and then it has the arms out like that. I don't know, it's not my fave, but we'll see. Yeah, this is the back. It has a little detail in the back, but yeah, it's not my fave, mainly because my boobs, I feel like, are very squished in this. But if they weren't, then maybe I would have kept it, but I'm not sure. It's looking like a pass to me. Okay, so this is $38. Yeah, I wouldn't pay $38 for something that doesn't fit me well. I would have to keep lowering it down so that it can fit. But again, I do have broad shoulders and I do have a big bust, so I really don't think this would be a match, to be honest with you guys. But again, I like it. It's cute, but I don't feel entirely too comfortable with it because I'm gonna have to keep pulling it down so it can look nice. I won't keep this. All right, honey, so I put on the first top to show you guys these jeans. I think they're really cute. Personally, what do you guys think? They have little rips on it. They have little distress details. This is the back. And every time they send me jeans, they fit beautifully. I really like them. What do you guys think? I think they're nice. Side profile. This is the back. I think they're really nice. I'm a sucker for distressed jeans, so they won me here. And these jeans are $58. So yeah, let me just lift this up. It does fit me at my waist, as you guys can tell, so they're a little high-waisted. But yeah, I really like them. Super cute. Alrighty, my love, so that is the end of this video. To be completely honest with you guys, I won't be keeping much from this box. Yeah, that's just, it is what it is. I'm guessing the jeans, I'm keeping them. This top, I love it. I really do like it, so I'll keep this. And then I'm also keeping that little hoodie type thing. But besides that, yeah, I'm not keeping much. Those other two tops, they're just not me, you know. It is what it is. Sometimes you like your whole box. Like what was it, in May, I loved my box, but I don't know. So just like my first box, I didn't keep everything. I kept everything except for that one dress that they sent me. If you never saw my first Stitch Fix video, I'll go ahead and link both of them down below. I do have a playlist for my Stitch Fix unboxing, so again, I'll link that down below. But yeah, I'll go ahead and insert a clip to show you guys how you return items if you don't like it. I'll go ahead and include it in this video. I forgot for the last one, but yeah. So basically, I use the app. I don't know if like you can use anything else, but yeah, I use the app, and it'll show you that, you know, you have your order, your box, and it has to be like sent back by a certain time. I kind of missed my date, so hopefully it doesn't, you know, run me into any trouble. So yeah, you go ahead and you click checkout items, and then it'll show you your items one by one, and then it'll ask you, are you keeping it, are you returning it, yada yada yada. And then you go ahead and answer questions like it'll ask you, did it fit, is it too big, how's the pricing, and all this other stuff. And yeah, and then you just go through every single item, and from there you just check out. However you went to pay, that's how they'll charge you. And then from there, that's it. You just go ahead and take your items in that bag that they sent, and then you just take it to the post office, and that's that. Me personally, I just give it to my mailman, and then he'll take it to the post office when he's done doing his rounds. That's another option for you. You can do that also. But yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below which items you liked, which items you didn't like, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.